As the world of online and social media continues to expand into every aspect of our lives, convenience and mobility are often pitted against security and privacy. One recent example is with new online and shareable financial diaries. Another is the surge in the popularity of mobile banking. Here with us today is California Coast Credit Union President and CEO Todd to talk about some of the new tech trends in the financial world. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so it certainly is. I mean, I know that you're holding a phone for a purpose here, but I do everything on my phone these days, it seems like.
And most consumers are doing their financial transactions on the phone. No longer are they going into the branches. Now, that's not everybody. We still have a lot of traffic in the branches. And they're not going online. They're using their mobile device. We have almost 1 million logins a month into our home banking tool via mobile phones.
That's crazy. I mean, you can do everything. They even have the swipers. I thought about getting one of those.
Absolutely.
So talk about what's new in technology and personal financial management particularly.
Right. So personal financial management tools, or PFMs, have been out there for a long time. Most every financial institution has it as part of their mobile banking or online banking. But the sort of the new take on it is to make it simpler, to make it look different. They call it gamification, so they gamify. It has a look of a video game on your phone. And these tools are much more helpful than they used to be in the past. As an example, California Coast has a tool called Coast Money Manager. And we partnered with a fintech company up in Northern California, and this particular tool has a gamified look for budgeting, for setting goals. You can see it on the screen there.
It looks fairly easy to follow.
Right. It's actually bubbles, and these bubbles represent how much you've spent in a certain category, like on household items or clothing. And what the tool does, Linda, is it recognizes your spending patterns and habits, and it develops a budget for you. So you don't even have to put in a budget. It does one for you. And so that's part of the, simplifying it, and people will use it more if it's simple.
Okay, so that's something new that people can use. And mobile phones, I mean, you pretty much use it for everything. There's payments, banking, shopping, financial journaling. I mean, why not have more access or make it easier?
Absolutely. Everybody has a mobile phone these days, and most of them are smartphones. You can do account aggregation now on your mobile device, on your phone. So again, our Coast Money Manager application, you can tap into all the accounts that you have outside of the credit union. Your retirement savings accounts, your 401k accounts, your credit cards, your home loan, everything can be aggregated in that PFM, in that CalCoast Money Manager tool.
That is terrific. Now, and there's free online banking. We see a lot of that. It makes it easier to manage.
Absolutely. It's all free these days.
So when you talk about mobile apps and banking, there's the issue of security and privacy. I do worry about that sometimes.
Yeah, now mobile devices are more secure than going online, but you need to be mindful of some of the basic things, like when you're in a Starbucks and they have free Wi-Fi. Don't use your mobile device for home banking, for your banking, when you're in a Starbucks. Use your cellular signal. Don't go on their Wi-Fi. Those sorts of things are very important. Don't share your passwords, obviously. We have a biometrics on ours, so it recognizes your thumbprint. So for our members, they can't even get into the home banking tool without the biometrics. So those sort of things are very helpful.
I love the future. We're here now, all the things that are coming up, but I do like it that they have the thumbprints because it makes you feel more secure.
Absolutely. And it's so... personal financial management tools, as I mentioned, have been around forever, but most people don't use them. The adoption rate is very, very low. It's around 7% of those that have home banking use it. And so these sort of tools and security features are really our attempt to get more people to use it, because they're great tools. They're great planning tools. Okay,
there's the information. Manage your money. Try the Coast Money Manager free online tool. You can view balances, transactions all in one place. And there's the website, calcoastcu.org. Thank you again for all the good information.
Thanks for having me.
Now I just need a little bit of a bigger screen so I can see everything instead of holding it out here. Thanks a lot.